मेरा एक सवाल है, यूनिफॉर्म में इतने अच्छे लगते, ज्वाइन कर लेते यार आर्मी।
अरे वाह, देखो वही मैं शायद उसी को कर देता, कॉस्ट्यूम के लिए कर लेता, बट मेरे घर वाले बड़े खुश हैं कि एटलीस्ट एक प्रिटेंड आर्मी ऑफिसर तो बना हमारे दादू के बाद।
Was this something that you really wanted to as an actor?
No, this is special. This is far more special, far more. I'm far more attached to this film, to this material, to this character. As I said, I've now come to a point. As I said, the only review that I'm waiting for is the parents and the family, and that would mean the world to me because I feel it's someone's blood, sweat, and real life a family member that we are talking about, who I felt could be my family,
Yeah.
and yes, and I got the opportunity to play this as an actor. I have tried my best to make it real and yet convincing.
For all film related interviews, reviews, and content, please like and subscribe to Pooja Talwar. You can also follow me on Twitter and on Instagram.
Hello, salute Captain.
Oh, hello. Hi, Pooja. How are you?
I'm very well, and if we had met personally, I would have shook hands with you and given you a hug because the trailer really moved me and also brought back memories because the first year of Kargil Divas, I went to IMA to do a tribute on all these officers. And on 8th of July, I was in office, 1999, when Vikram Batra's announcement came that he had been martyred. So now I'm getting goosebumps as I'm talking to you because it's brought back memories. And I want to ask you, sir, can I say this is actually the role of a lifetime for you because we've been talking about it?
Yes, no, absolutely. It's had a long journey, and I feel is exceptionally special for many reasons. I mean, especially, I mean, you've been there, you've experienced it. Even NDTV at that time, was the first channel to cover it, and we could closely see all these soldiers really, giving interviews one day, and unfortunately, just not being there the next day. And I felt. You cannot tell these stories again and again, and especially when you're talking about their life story specifically. So I feel extremely honored to get a role like this, or the family to approach me and say, it'd be great if you play, son's life story, and I feel it's a big responsibility. I feel I'm very nervous that the family per se has not seen it. I feel for them it's not a commercial film. It's their घर की कहानी, and it's their son out there. But Vishal Batra, his brother, has been a great reason for this film to be made. I've learned so much about Vikram Batra, whether it's through his brother, through his comrades, and I hope people get to see the essence of that in this film, and hopefully be inspired and be entertained at the same time.
So you got me in the trailer when you said झंडा लहरा के आऊंगा या उस पे लिपट कर आऊंगा. And that's the story of the soldier because once IMA, if you've been that antim path, when you walk out, your life is no longer yours. And a soldier, they say, has everything to lose, but nothing to gain. He has nothing to gain, So, but when you were getting under, playing this character, I'm sure physical training apart, you are a fit guy, but, mental prep. On top of that, getting those little details right, because I'm sure you come from a forces background, वो सब कहते हैं ना, salute ठीक नहीं किया, ऐसे थोड़ी हम लोग बात करते हैं. Was that very tough? What was it like for you to get under the skin of this character?
No, absolutely. We wanted to make it the most authentic version possible. I would say pretty much 95% of what the film is has happened with Vikram in some way or the other. Even if it's interaction with the army for sure, but even if it's interaction with his girlfriend, his fiance, his best friend. These are real life instances that they went and went to an army canteen to get alcohol, or whether he would go to meet his girlfriend, bunk, and go and meet her on a bike, take his friend's bike, or whether he would tell his seniors कि सर आप तो मेरे पड़ोसी हैं, आप मेरे घर के इधर रहते हैं, कहाँ रहते हैं. So eventually he was such a he was in the army, but he kind of also made a new version of a soldier because he used to really carry that uniform with a lot of heart and a lot of warmth. He was everybody used to say कि यार बड़ा good-hearted Punjabi ladka hai, or they all get a very good vibe from him. So it was a very interesting mix of having this very warm, casual person in this very formal uniform, and keeping that decorum, but yet keeping him likable and slightly casual. So that's the attempt. So of course we've got all the gestures and the salutes. We even when you talk about gun training, we've got the gun discipline. What the gun that I'm using, all of us are using the actual Indian INSAS, which is a real gun. We were using army blanks or fake bullets for it. But so training wise, I feel getting the right balance of obviously getting all the etiquettes right in the army, but yet making this slightly casual, warm Vikram Batra in it was the balance and the key. And for all the etiquettes and all the correct functionality, we had the Indian Army present always. I have to say they've been a great support for our film. Whether it's telling us what actually happened, whether it's giving us their ammunition and facilities to use, whether it's protecting us while we're shooting in Kargil. It was a place of conflict, and they've never let us feel any kind of stress. Even if there was, I don't think they ever let us feel it. So it's been a very gruesome blood, sweat, and heart journey. I'm excited with what people are saying about the trailer. And I only feel I can't wait for them to come and see the film and hopefully say similar things and feel that they've understood Vikram Batra's journey much better.
And he meant different things to different people. He was a son, he was a brother, he was a officer, and and I was just reading something that his junior put up, like उसमें वो conviction था, कि अभी गले मिलने पता नहीं मिल पाएंगे क्या नहीं. So when you were reading him on paper, was there something that struck you? Because no normal person can make those statements because he knew this would happen and he didn't care which way it would go. Something that struck you as an actor when he came on paper, did some part of Siddharth, the actor, resonate with the man that he was portraying? Kuch or a moment that did it for you?
I think it's his family first, because I met them, Vishal Batra and his parents. They seemed very close to my family. My dadu's from the army, and I felt that this could be my family. This could be, if my father would have joined the forces, maybe I would have joined the forces. If we were close to that generation, and I feel that connect that we culturally are very similar. Punjabi household, middle class Punjabi household in Palampur and Chandigarh is very close to a middle class Punjabi household in Delhi. So I could get the Yaro Ka Yar vibe with it. He has a lot of Punjabiyat to him. What I would say, I'd be lying if I completely said I got it, was the army leader aspect of his. Because to have that upbringing and to be so focused and determined to actually go on the battlefield and accomplish that goal where you have to kill for protection. You're protecting your country, you're protecting your motherland, and have to eliminate certain people. That takes a different psyche, and he used to do it with such confidence, and he used to give his subordinates so much confidence. His juniors have said it on record. First, full credit to Shabir Boxwala and Sandeep Srivastav, who went and recorded interviews of all his colleagues and comrades, and to speak about Captain Vikram Batra. They've all had some amazing stories. All talk about his heart, and I remember his subordinate saying कि यार जब बत्रा साहब लीड करते हैं ना तो हमें बड़ा सुकून मिलता था, because we know that he'll lead from the front on the battlefield, he will guide us correctly, and he'll protect us yet keep us aggressive. So I think that aspect of a leader is something I have learned from this story and this script, and I think the lovable Punjabi boy is something that I've given maybe to this character because I grew up in a similar household and similar upbringing. So it'll be an interesting mix of it, and I'm really looking forward to people to see this.
And honestly, if he hadn't been martyred, he would have been a brigadier today. Yeah? I mean, just...
Oh, absolutely. He was such an inspiration to so many, purely because both his missions, whether it's the first peak that they captured, which is called Batra Top, and it was a very, very difficult terrain. 0.4875, I think, is the first one that they captured. They knew that it's kind of a everyone's tried in the past and they did not get successful. They accomplished it without any casualties. So for him at the age of 24 to be there on the battlefield, leading his pack, climbing on top, accomplishing, eliminating the enemy, and then saying it with style and confidence, "Ye dil mange more, sir. Ye dil mange more" is such an amazing psyche. He overcame the biggest obstacle, which is fear, which we've all struggled with in our real day-to-day life. So I feel that's something to pick on from the film any which way, is that feel so strongly about something that that you could overcome your fear and say, "Ye dil mange more."
True. And that became a war cry of sorts, Ye Dil Mange More. And I know, we all know how the movie is going to pan out. There are going to be emotional outbursts. It's going to mean a lot of things for a whole lot of people. I had tears when I watched the trailer. But honestly, I mean, for you, I mean, was this that the role of a lifetime that an actor looks for? Because you've been striving to do different things. You played an army officer in Ayari too. But, was this something that you really wanted to as an actor?
No, this is special. This is far more special, I'm far more attached to this film, to this material, to this character. As I said, I've now come to a point, the only review that I'm waiting for is the parents and the family. And that would mean the world to me, because I feel it's someone's blood, sweat, and real life a family member that we are talking about, who I felt could be my family. And yes, and I got the opportunity to play this as an actor. I have tried my best to make it real and yet convincing that this could look like this has happened, because it has happened. So I would say definitely my most passionate role and my most passionate film, purely because of the journey that it's also had. I remember in the initial years, 5 years ago, there was a different team, different production house, different script. And I remember telling Vishal Batra, Vishal, are you sure? Would you let me take charge of it, and I would get this film made in the correct way? And I remember then approaching, 2 years later, that I had met Vishal, Dharma Productions, with this story that Karan would be interested in making a biopic. And that time, Gunjana Razi was not even happening at that time. One of the first biopics, and I said, I feel so strongly about this script. Trust me, I'm on for it, and it would be great if you guys are as well. And Dharma came on board, and that's where the ball started rolling. We got our director writer Sandeep Srivastava, our director Vishnu Vardhan on board. After Lust Stories, we got Kiara Advani on board. So it kind of, I have seen the journey of this film starting from that first meeting to eventually now giving an interview about it. And 5 years is a long time for a film to be made, for whatever reasons. I think it has a very interesting journey and destiny, and hoping and praying that this special film also becomes special for the audience.
Absolutely. And so you were destined to play him, because they say movies have the destiny, and characters also come because of destiny. So your fan club has asked me to ask you 3 questions. Any personality traits, which you said that Punjabiyat, that you found that were common between you and Vikram Batra when you donned that uniform? Which personality?
I think the lehza, I mean, as I said, the personality traits would be, he was the biggest, I think, again, culturally, which were very similar, that he was thinking of going to the Merchant Navy at one point in his early years. My father's from the Merchant Navy, and my father went through that same dilemma. My dadu telling my father ki forces kyun nahi join karte, and he says ki no, this one, if I get through, this pays better. So I could relate to that aspect as well when I'm playing him in the film ki Merchant Navy join karta hu. So it's something that I could connect to his household, his family. I think traits would be this, that the Punjabiyat in him is very close to the Punjabiyat in me. But the soldier in him is obviously very close to me. I'm not a soldier, I can only pretend to be one, and he was one of the best. So I'm hoping people see that similarity and yet see something new in the film and in the character.
मेरा एक सवाल है, यूनिफॉर्म में इतने अच्छे लगते, ज्वाइन कर लेते यार आर्मी.
अरे वाह, देखो वही मैं शायद उसी को कर देता, कॉस्ट्यूम के लिए कर लेता, बट मेरे घर वाले बड़े खुश हैं कि एटलीस्ट एक प्रिटेंड आर्मी ऑफिसर तो बना हमारे दादू के बाद. बेशक 2 घंटे के लिए बने एक स्क्रीन पे, पर वो बना तो कम से कम.
But this is an awesome way. And lastly, Sumit from Siddharth Malhotra Fan Club has said, a message for all the Fauji brats.
Oh wow! I have so much respect for all the people, and families of the forces. I feel they don't realize how special and how much sacrifice that their parents and their loved ones give, whoever's serving in the forces. And I would not say that this is a film for them or about them, because they I think probably they know it much closely. But respect to them, and I feel they are the true born, tough, rough, tough brats of the country who will make us proud and do in whichever profession I go. I feel you can spot an army brat and
Yeah, totally.
their culture and their lehza and their body language, which is commendable, which is great, and I hope it lives on. And love and respect to all the army personnel and their families.
Well, that goes for the two of us as well. Also, we are Fauji brats. And anyways, many congratulations again. I'm happy for you because I have been part of this journey. We've discussed it a lot.
Yes.
All the best. Salute again. I think maybe I got the salute wrong, but मैं पंगे नहीं लूंगी. But ये मेरा salute है.
Thank you so much. I hope you see the film on 12th August and we can chat. Thank you.
Yes, I'm not missing this one. Thank you so much. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. If you've liked this interview, please like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram.